The FAZY 12.3-inch Android 13 system auto screen player presents a compelling upgrade solution for Audi A6 C6 for F owners looking to modernize their driving experience. With its expansive display, advanced Android 13 operating system, powerful performance, comprehensive navigation features, and seamless connectivity options, it offers a versatile and feature-rich multimedia solution tailored to the needs of today's connected drivers. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or navigating through city streets, the FAZY system enhances convenience, entertainment, and productivity on the road, making every journey a pleasure. Connectivity options abound with the FAZY Auto Screen Player. Integrated 4G Wi-Fi support enables high-speed internet access on the go, keeping you connected to your favorite online services and streaming platforms. Furthermore, the system supports wireless CarPlay, allowing seamless integration with compatible smartphones for hands-free calling, messaging, audio playback, and more. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can also wirelessly stream audio from your devices and enjoy crystal clear sound through your car's audio system. Navigation is a breeze with the built-in GPS module, which provides accurate positioning and turn-by-turn directions to your desired destinations. The FAZY system supports offline maps, allowing you to navigate even in areas with limited or no internet connectivity. Additionally, real-time traffic updates ensure efficient route planning, helping you avoid congestion and reach your destination in a timely manner. The FAZY system packs a punch with its powerful hardware configuration. Featuring 8 GB of RAM and a spacious 256 GB of internal storage, it offers ample memory and storage capacity to handle multitasking and store a vast library of media files, apps, and offline maps. Whether you're running multiple apps simultaneously or switching between navigation and media playback, the system delivers smooth and responsive performance without lag or slowdowns.